Let's make a homemade shawarma. First thing first, bread. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of water, half a cup of milk, teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and flour. Add gradually until it doesn't stick to your spatula or your hands. Mix it very well with your spatula. And now time to use your hand. Bring it on the surface and knead it beautifully. The dough is smooth and elastic. Time to transfer it into the lightly oiled bowl. Let it sit for at least 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, bring it to the surface. Look at it, it's beautiful. And separate it to 5 beautiful pieces of dough. Round it up, like so. Look at my hand. I will show you the slow motion part too, because I like it. Transfer it into a lightly floured plate. Cover it and let it sit for at least 1.5 hours. Good quality garlic sauce. You can make a homemade one. You can customize your own sauce. You can make it with Greek yogurt, add some garlic to it, some olive oil, anything you like. But right now I'm going to show you how to make it with just one whisk and one bowl. You can drizzle the oil. You need some vinegar, garlic, of course lots of garlic, 1 egg and 1 lemon. So let me show you how to make it. Alright, crack the egg into the bowl. Beautiful. Whisk it. Add a cup of vinegar. Whisk it. Now this is the difficult part. Drizzle the oil gradually. I mean drop by drop. And continue whisking until this stage. A smooth creamy sauce, like a mayonnaise. Then time to add lots of garlic into the sauce. Beautiful lemon juice. And season it with salt and pepper. And check the taste. Not more than that. Yummy. Our doughs are ready to go. Alright, let me show you how to make a beautiful bread in only hot pan. Add it into a super hot pan and look at that bubbles. In this stage, you can turn it. Look at it. That's what we want. Okay, this chicken marinated 1 day in advance with some garlic, onion, lemon, olive oil, turmeric, cumin, and you can add some yogurt if you like. Time to slice it so thin. That's what we want. We want to put it into the oven, the toppest level of the oven, so it cooks very fast. And we need a crispy chicken that juicy inside. Time to bake it, not more than 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, you can flip it and turn the chicken so the other side become crispy. A shawarma not a complete dish without a good French fries. And like always, time to assemble our beautiful chicken shawarma. Thumbs up if you like it, and for more recipe videos, please subscribe my channel.